Hi, this is Jonathan with another Watchtower update video. I'm recording this the evening of Sunday, December 13th. This update should go live in the next couple days. First off is just going to be an updated look at the platform. A few things may look a little bit different, just the layout and maybe the colors of things. Um, there's new colors to the call types that you can add and a few other things that we changed the layout of just to freshen up the platform and make it look a little bit cleaner. Um, the first main feature is going to be setting your daily assignment as a dispatcher. So the dis it's so for a lot of agencies, it's important for you guys to know who was the dispatcher for these calls, right? And now you can track who it was by just setting your assignment. So I'll type in my name, go to dispatching, and now when I submit a call, you can see here in the section here, you can see who the dispatcher was for the calls, basically. Another thing you'll see, as I mentioned earlier, is the colored call types. So I think I have preventative actions colored. Yeah, so you can see the color of the call type is you can decide what color you want it to be, and then we'll go to stat categories. In order to change it, you just go to preventative action, and then you can just what you want to look for is just basically all preventative actions, and then that category, when you change that color, it'll change all the rest. So I can change it to like purple, and you can see all the rest change. And then if I go back to dispatching, it changed it to purple. Incident timer, so you can see a running timer over here on the left of basically the total amount of time that the incident's been running. Helpful for the dispatcher to see how long the incident's been going or the unit in the field. Updated notes. So I have my dispatcher position set here, and then now when I add any notes, it'll automatically uh, tag my name and my position. It'll also tag the time, so it's 10:15 right now, so 22:15. I'm a dispatch, and then my name. So time, position, name, and that'll be the same across the board for other positions as well. And you can add those other positions. I'll take my dispatch position off, and then I'll go to submit incidents, and I'll change that to a new person, 5210. Oh, I gotta save that. Okay, so I just added me. I'm the note taker, so it automatically checks it for you. Continue. And then if I'm a unit on the beach now and I'm typing notes, it'll automatically save that under my position and name. So 5210, the unit, and then here's my name. I just updated that from the submit incidents. Also, you can add multiple people now in your positions. So if you're a unit on the beach or you're a boat and you have a deckhand or a shotgun, you can add multiple people now just like this. And save it. And so now when you submit incidents, they'll be tagged along with you. So I'll submit an enforcement. Go to the explore page. There's my enforcement. And then you can see automatically the unit and the shotgun are added to the call here. And then there's my note. It tags the note as well if you enter any notes when you do the submission. Okay, moving on to the explore page. Here, we updated the clear filters button, so it actually clears everything. So I'll do a search right now. So I'm gonna look for all my calls for rescues, and then if I just do clear filters, it clears everything, and then I can refresh it. So it actually clears everything instead of just clearing. I think there was just certain boxes it was clearing before. CSV download. So this is kind of cool. Let's do a date range of like this week, and then download CSV. Oh, I think we need to refresh it first. Okay, now let's take a look. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so you can now it'll automatically export it basically, and so you can see all the different incidents here, how many happened and everything within your date range. So this is an early implementation of this. We're going to improve on it in the future, but it's cool to know that now you can immediately export the data straight into um, Excel format basically. Okay. And then a notable incident section and report generation. So I have a couple notable incidents just down here, but then if we run a PDF report, which is different, right? It's our pre-made version. You can see incident breakdown, and then right after the incident breakdown, you have notable incidents right here. So these were incidents that were starred or made important by the dispatcher or a unit using that star button on the incident. And we just tag them right here on the report just so you guys can see it really easily. Okay, so I think that concludes all of the new features. There's a lot of bugs that we fixed behind the scene as well throughout updates. Just to name the main ones is just report generation improvements, so that the layout of the report generation looks better. Bug fixes for notable incidents, updated incidents, just a bunch of bug fixes, and then mobile device improvements when you're logging in. And a lot of when we're implementing these new features, we do a lot of bug fixes along the way, trying to make sure that when we push these updates out to you guys, that they're not causing problems, rather improving the product for you guys. If you have any questions regarding the new features, feel free to respond to the email, or you guys can reach out to your Watchtower representative. Thank you again for watching.